Welcome back, everybody. It's Jenna from Bomiart Movement Society. I have another dance along and tutorial for you today. We're going to be learning Cowgirls Twist. I hope that you enjoy this dance as much as I do. I think it's a nice little groove, a fun little dance that we can just kind of let ourselves go and create a little bit more of our own unique flavor to it. So when you are ready, just make sure you got clear space, comfortable shoes, comfortable clothing to be dancing along with me today. So here we go. Let's start learning our Cowgirls Twist. As we start our dance, we're going to be taking that right foot. We're going to take 4 heel struts, walking it forward. We're going to go heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. So it's just right, left, right, left. And the counts go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can turn it out. If you want to make it more of a turnout walk, you sure could. If you want to keep it parallel, you could also do that. All right, let's do that again. 6, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the weight is on that left foot. From here, we're going to walk ourselves back with the right foot. We're going to go right, left, right, left. So just 4 straight walks back, right, left, right, left. Let's take those counts and we walk it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the counts are a little bit quicker there with our walks back. So let's put that part together. So we got our heel toe struts walking forward and 4 walks back. Starting with that right foot. 5, 6, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's about that tempo. So as we go backwards too, we can always keep the footwork underneath ourselves more. We do not have to travel a whole lot, okay? So making smart choices for our bodies always. Here we go. 6, and we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back 2, 3, 4. So we have our right, left, right, left. From here, I'm going to show you one version. We're going to pick up those heels. We go to the left, we go to the right with the toes, or going to the left with the toes, and then we take those heels on out and then we clap it. So we're swiveling ourselves over to the left. So it goes heels, toes, heels, clap, and then we're going to repeat it to the right, heels, toes, heels, clap. So again, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you are on a stickier surface, like I kind of am in this room, not the ideal situation for knees. So what I'm going to show you is we could take it going heels and clap, up, down, clap. So that way we're still working on the beat without any of the twisting happening if we like. Or we could also make it more of a hip that goes side to side versus really focusing on the feet. So again, finding the version that we need. So I'm going to show you without the little twisting of the feet, but more of the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That way my feet are pretty much in the same place the entire time. Okay. So finding what you need for that 8 count. So let's look back. So we walked back first. We walked right, left, right, left. And then we go to the left, our version of this. Left, 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 clap. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let's put all of this together from the top. Nice and slow, starting with those heel toe struts. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. How we doing so far? Again, I hope that we're making the choices that we need for those knees, and especially every day is a little bit different in our lovely human bodies. So make sure we're just always making the choices that we want and will be perfect for us on that day. Okay. All right, here we go. One more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if we are ready to continue on, we just clapped. Now we're going to shift to the left and we clap it. 5, 6. We shift to the right. 7, 8. Clap it. So that we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get a little left and right. And here's again, we don't have to move those heels. Sit in that hip, sit in that hip. All right, here we go. Putting all of this together from the top. We're almost there. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 2, 3, 4 to the left, to the right, and left and right. Okay, Wonderful. All right, real quick, if you could do me a big favor while we're taking maybe a little bit of a break, getting some water, just hit the subscribe button real quick, like, comment below, let me know how this dance is going for you. And let me know, just in general, do we like to twist? I know sometimes I'm a big no on that, but then some days I want to twist. So you decide. Let me know, twist or no twist in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. All right, so we just went left and right. Now from here, we're going to have a little groove. We're going to go down 1, 2, and then we bring ourselves up 3, 4. So we can make that freestyle however we want it to be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finishing off this 8 count. We're going to take that right foot forward, stepping forward on the right. We're making a quarter turn over that left shoulder, and now we're facing our new wall, and we would start that whole dance all over again. Okay, so let's look at that last 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. And then that weight now is in that left foot, so that way we can take those heel toe struts to the front, and then we would walk it back 1, 2, 3, 4, take it to the left, take it to the right as we single it, shimmy, shimmy, up, up, step, and turn. Yes, and then we would just start that dance all over again. All right, here we go. Let's try that one more time. I'm just going to give you counts on this round. Here we go. Starting with that right foot, 5, 6, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we would walk it on out as we take it on out, and we back 2, 3, 4. Move it to the left, move it to the right, left, right, shimmy, shimmy, up, up, step, and turn. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 2, 3, 4. To our left, to the right with the 1 and down, down, up, up, step. Last time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 2, 3, 4 to our left, 5, 6, and you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, shimmy, shimmy, up, up, step, and turn. And then we would start our dance all over again. All right. Make sure that you either go back, keep working on those steps, or stay right here. I'm going to do a little aerial view of my feet if that helps us learn as well, and then we'll be dancing to our music. Here's the aerial view of our footwork for Cowgirls Twist. Starting with that right foot, we have heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Back it on up. Right, left, right, left. Now here's that version of the twist. Heels, toes, heels. This is where the clap would happen. And then we would go to the right. Heels, toes, heels. With the clap, single to the left, clap, single to the right, clap, and then we have our little groove, down, down, up, up. Then we're going to step forward on our right as we make that quarter turn over to our left, and then we would be ready to walk it out as we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap it out. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, down, up, up, step, and turn. And again, on those swivels, we can always twist it or make it more of an up and down or more of an upper body movement. Starting with our right foot, walk it on out. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, down, up, up, step, and turn. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Strut it on out and back. 2, 3, 4. To our left, to our right, and single, single, down, down, up, up, step, and turn, and right. 2, 3, back it up, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, we're making that as we need in those knees, and down, down, up, up, step, and turn, and right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, back. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, to the right. And swivel it, down, down, up, up, step, and back to the top. 1, and we're breathing it out. Quick and back. 2, 3, 4. Again, you don't have to pick up those feet. You can make it more the upper body if you wish. And 1, 2, 3, 4, step, and turn, and right foot, left, right and left, back, 2, 3, 4, to our left, to the right, left and right, and down, down, up, up, step and turn, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing great, everybody. I hope you're having fun with this little Cowgirls Twist dance. And 1, 2, 3, 4, to it, 1, shimmy it out and step and turn. Again, always making the choices, modifying as we go as well, especially once we start to get a little bit more comfortable with it, can make it our own. Side to side. Freestyle yourself on out. Step and turn, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. To our left, to the right, left, right. Take it on down and up and go. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, 2, 3, 4. To the left, to the right, left, right. Shimmy it on down as we freestyle it out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe you want to make those steps bigger the more comfortable we get with it, or we keep it small. We decide what we need. Down, down, up, and step and turn. All right, great job with our Cowgirls Twist. Thank you so much for dancing along with me, and make sure you check out that next video. Bye, everybody.